Hey guys, so smart home has made its way into CES, into most of our lives, and a little known fact for Coldwell Banker brokers out there watching, Coldwell Banker puts out our own staging kit for smart home, and the woman behind it, Carla Hayes, is standing next to me. Carla, why don't you educate the folks out there on what exactly is this kit?
Smart Home Staging Kit is something that Coldwell Banker has had for about a year and a half now, and it includes the August Lock, it includes the Caseta Wireless from Lutron, it includes a whole host of products from Nest that help you with the Nest Protect, the Nest Cam, the Nest Thermostat. And what's great about this kit is that we've designed this so that you have the products that you need to make any home a smart home. It can really make a difference when you're trying to market a house, and it's really a great way to differentiate yourself at the listing table because other brands don't have this.
Absolutely, and to be able to, potentially even sell this along with the house to the buyer is a great add-on. But if not, you can take it with you each home. Show the possibility of smart home, even if the home isn't smart. Make sense?